If you have a home, you probably noticed that no matter how often you clean your carpet, dirt, dust, and grime start to collect deep down in the fibers. And although you vacuum often, you can tell the carpet just doesn't look and feel like it used to. It feels like you're walking on a crunchy, dirt-filled mess.
And unfortunately, you are. Maybe it's time for a deeper, more thorough clean. So you start calling local professionals trying to find a solution. And while a steamy shampoo cleaning might sound nice, flooding your carpet with detergents and harsh chemicals that leave a sticky, soapy residue behind, attracting even more dirt than before, is not. When you call the experts at Zerorez in almost zero time, you can enjoy carpets that stay cleaner longer without dirt-attracting residue. How does Zerorez do it? Unlike most cleaning services, Zerorez first uses counter-rotating brushes to loosen all the deeply embedded dirt and hair that's stuck in your carpet's fibers. This is the stuff a normal vacuum can't reach. Next, Zerorez patented wand with water control technology completely rinses your carpet's fibers without ever flooding the padding. Instead of using detergents or harsh chemicals like other cleaning processes, Zerorez cleans with ZR water, a powerful cleaner that's non-toxic and completely safe for people, pets, and the planet. Zerorez, a smarter, lasting clean.